Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta get me a Thule. They catch me slipping, I swear he gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep, he wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. The camper, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down, my bro, they gon' flip me. Alright, so the first thing you do is you make sure all the ammo is out of the room, right? So make sure your weapon's unloaded. I'm at the range, so I'm gonna just slide this all the way down there, alright? No ammunition around. Rack it 3 times, lock it to the range. Just make sure your weapon's clear. Alright, it's clear. Alright, so the weapon's clear. Let's take it down. So this right here are the Glock takedown lever. Glock style takedown lever. It looks like that. And the other one's on this side. So it's not like that lever that was on my XDM. This is the Glock style, so it's a little different. So what you do is you take it, rack it back just a little. Take the levers, press them down on both sides. Let it go forward. Press the trigger. It's apart, right? This is gonna be like a field cleaning, nothing too in-depth, but yeah, so let's get into it, man. So first thing you can do is take the barrel, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna punch out the barrel. So all that dust flying out and that carbon, I don't know if you can see down there, but look at that. Clean and ready. So you punch your barrel. Next thing, take a little brush with some oil on it. I use my Lucas Extreme Duty, you know what I mean? Put a little bit right there. This is the feed ramp right here. This is where your rounds go up and in the chamber. So I take this, get all the carbon off, scrub, brush it like I'm brushing my teeth, nothing too crazy. I like the soft bristle brushes. I don't know, some people use the wire brush. I mean, it's up to you. Brush it out, get all the carbon off. All right, and then you get a rag and wipe it off.
Axel.
Look at that. So your barrel's good. If you see any carbon anywhere else, you can hit it up, but look at that. It's pretty good. My ramp is clear. It's good. You can feed rounds. My barrel's clear. So that's good enough for me. Hit it up with some oil. This oil just helps to break the stuff off, all right? So you see right here? All right, so when the round is in the mag, the slide goes back, and then when you release the slide forward, this piece right here pushes the round up that feed ramp and push it in the chamber. So set that up. A lot of people don't get in here, they only hit the rails. That's cool, but this is how I clean my guns, all right? So hit it up right here. All up in there, the face of it right here. All that up. Clean my extractor. Make sure that's clean, man. Listen, you don't want your gun to jam, right? You should clean your weapon all the time. Get in the habit of cleaning it. After you shoot it up, clean it, man. All right, at least oil it. You don't want it dry in there. All that friction ain't good for it. So I take my oil. That's good. I take my oil and I grease up the rails. So that's the part that it slides on. So I take my oil, drip some in the rails, and I let gravity take the rest. Like, I angle it down, let gravity take it. So gravity is gonna take it down and really let it go through the whole slide, all right? Or you can hit the whole thing. Next, my frame, hit it up. Make sure the rails are good, make sure it's clean. Get all up in here, you can get in the mag well, make sure there's nothing in there dirty. Jamming it up. Listen, this oil is phenomenal, man. This is the good shit right here. Clean off the rails. Look at that. I just started cleaning this. Look how clean the rails are. All you need is a little field cleaner, man. You don't gotta get too crazy in the gunsmith, man. Just make sure your shit don't jam, man. Clean it up. Clean all of my mag well.
clean. Smooth that is. And if you use too much oil on the barrel, just hit it up. Hit it up. You don't want oil oozing out your gun. Look at that. Clean. None of my weapons ever jam. I literally clean mine all the time. I'll get done at the range and I'll do a little quick field cleaning at the range before I go home. Look at that. Smooth and clean. Stay dangerous.
Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta give me a Julie. They catch me slipping, I swear you gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep, he wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. They camping, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. My brody gon' flank you and brody gon' slug you.